Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something super exciting for all of you to Chromebook users out there. Yes, you heard it right. We are going to show you exactly how to play widely popular game Infinity Craft right here on your school Chromebook in 2025. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your browser. Now simply scroll down the page until you spot the play game button. Go ahead and give it a click. The game will load up and you can usually skip and ads the pop-up. Once you're in the game, the fun begins. You'll see your starting elements. To start crafting, simply drag one element. Let's begin with water into the crafting area. Now let's add some more words to mix. Try dragging in cloud and then steam. Keep the sequence going. Let's add earth and human and cloud again. Now take the cloud element and drag it right top of human. Voila, you have created angel. Next up, drag earth and merge it with water to make plants. If you drag the steam into a cloud, you'll get rain. Let's explore some more combinations. Take the cloud word and merge it with mud to create a volcano. Then drag smoke onto the volcano to discover the new word eruption. Similarly, try dragging and merging earth and cloud below to create a beautiful rainbow. Here's another cool one. Merge fire with wind by placing fire on top. That gives you smoke. Now put plants on smoke to make lenses or incense. Want to see something magical? Put a rainbow on top of angel and it transforms into a unicorn. Let's keep experimenting. Drag the volcano and merge it with the rainbow to create another unicorn. Next, drag Adam into the craft area and put volcano on top of it. This will create Eve. For another element, drag planets into the craft area. After that, merge plants with a planet to make Earth. Want to make clay? Drag dust and merge it with mud. Now, if you drag rain and put it on the clay, it will turn back to mud. Let's add plants to the mud to create a swamp. Drag rainbow and add it to unicorn. You'll get a double rainbow. For our dragon fans, drag swamp and merge it with the double rainbow. Then put unicorn on incense and add swamp on top. After that, add dirt and Eve, and then put a unicorn on it. Here's a stormy combination. Drag rain and acid rain to make even more rain, and then put it on a lizard. Then finally, for the grand finale, drag a dragon and unicorn together to make a dragon corn. And there you have it. You're now equipped to play Infinity Craft right on your school Chromebook in 2025. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome tech contents just like this. Happy crafting.